Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here with card layout number 99, the penultimate in this series. And it's this one. Count your age by friends, not years. Okay. It's probably a good idea. Anyway, I'm using the Gardenia paper pad from first edition. Lots and lots of pretty patterns here that can work for all sorts of occasions. Nice quality papers too. Anyway, time now to crack on with the layout. So it's here, and basically it does use rectangles of paper that basically you then chop the corners off. Makes sense? Anyway, got a couple of butterfly dies with some coloured cardstock here. How I will use those will become apparent throughout the video. 3 types of paper from the Gardenia paper pad and a white card. The card is 6x4 and I'm going to start chopping the papers down. They're all going to be the same width, so that'll be 4 inches as they're covering the entirety of the width. And then I'm using the measurements from the layout to chop down the layers. The layout can be downloaded from my blog, gentlemancrafter.com. And if this is the first you've seen of these videos, please bear in mind there are now 98 others available as well. And in 2022, there will be a whole bunch more. Now, I nipped off there to get my ruler and pencil, as I forgot to get them. And I'm just basically measuring up the sides 1 inch and then a mark in the middle. Joining those up to create that point. And in a minute, I'll go ahead and chop those with scissors. Use whatever you need to. Sorry for banging the mic if you heard that. So I think for next year, the gridded ruler, the Pinflair bookbinding glue and the tweezers are the go-to tools. They seem to have been the ones that I've used throughout pretty much every video so far. Nice small delicate scissors going on here. These pencil marks are going to be on the back anyway, so it doesn't matter if you can still see a bit of them. Okay, so that's all my layers done. Time to get some glue going on the back. These 2 papers confuse me because they're the same patterns but just the opposite sides used. I think if I'd have redone this, I would have used some maybe tinted cardstock for both the sentiment and the card, maybe match those up. But for now, I've stuck the layers on and I've put something heavy on to keep them in place. And then for the butterflies, I chose just 3 of those colours that I selected earlier to run through the die cutting machine and give me the butterflies. So basically they're going to get layered up with the darkest at the bottom, the green in the middle and the cream on the top. And that way, whatever angle you're looking at the card, there'll be something going on. Okay, not far off finishing now. And basically I'm going to raise up the sentiment with foam pads. Maybe just 1 or 2 or 6. And then that will get popped on the top area of the card, as you saw at the beginning of the video. With these last few cards, I've tried to basically boil things down to their bare bones and just really focus on what I can do with the layout and papers. Of course, if you want to tart this up with a whole bunch of other stuff, feel free. Sometimes though, just a few papers, couple of die cuts or an embellishment and the sentiment is all you need. especially if you're selling your creations, as that way they're much quicker to batch make. There we go. That is card number 99 done. Join me for card making layout number 100 very soon. That's it for this time. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And for more from me in the future, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.